Dear children, welcome to this new session. Today's class is going to be a very interesting one. See, I have made a mountain for you. It's a little bit hot, I think. It's shaking also. Yeah, it's very hot. Eruption. See, volcanic eruption. Children, this is the working model of volcano. Let me explain you how it has been done. Things necessary for this activity are synthetic vinegar, baking soda powder, and food color. See children, here in this mountain, inside I have given a space to fix a cup. First let us add food color to this. Okay. Then we'll add vinegar to this. Mix it well. Now we are going to add baking soda powder to this. See what is going to happen. Wow! Amazing! Wow! It's volcanic eruption. Children, hope you would have enjoyed this activity. Let's learn the science behind this. We are learning about chemical reactions. In our last video, we studied about the chemical reaction involved in rusting of iron and browning of vegetables and fruits. In this video, we are going to learn another interesting chemical reaction, that is reaction between vinegar and baking soda. Baking soda is nothing but the cooking soda which your mother is using in the kitchen. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of baking soda powder in 100 ml of water in a beaker or in a glass. Stir the mixture well until all the baking soda powder has dissolved. Take 5 ml of vinegar in a test tube or in a glass bowl. Use a dropper and add 5 drops of the baking soda solution to the vinegar in the container. You will observe bubbles being formed due to the evolution of carbon dioxide. This experiment can be done in different ways. You can either add vinegar directly to the baking soda powder, or baking soda powder can be added directly to the vinegar. In all means, you can see lot of bubbles rushing up. This indicates the evolution of carbon dioxide. The science behind this reaction is the baking soda, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate, is a base, while vinegar, that is acetic acid, is an acid. When they react together, they form carbonic acid, which is very unstable. It instantly breaks apart into water and carbon dioxide, which creates bubble as it escapes the solution. The reaction can be represented in word equation as vinegar, that is acetic acid, plus baking soda, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate, gives carbon dioxide plus water plus sodium acetate. And the chemical equation is CH3COOH plus NaHCO3 gives CO2 plus H2O plus CH3COONA. How can we know that the gas evolved is carbon dioxide? We can check it out easily. If the fumes evolved are passed through freshly prepared lime water, the lime water turns into milky. This proves the gas evolved is carbon dioxide. This reaction is also a chemical change, and this can be represented as carbon dioxide CO2 plus lime water CaOH2, that is calcium hydroxide, gives calcium carbonate CaCO3 plus water H2O. The evolution of carbon dioxide is checked by another method. If a burning matchstick is brought near the gas evolved, it puts off the fire. As the gas doesn't support burning, we can say it is carbon dioxide. Children, let us continue with another chemical reaction in our next video. Thank you.